For over 18 years, AVPartners has delivered professional AV installations across Australia's most recognisable venues. From large format LED walls to full ballroom AV systems, our work is relied on every day by venues where presentation and performance matter. We now bring that same experience to a wider range of clients, from hotels and conference venues to offices, developments and commercial fit-outs. Our team delivers integrated AV systems tailored to each space, covering display, audio, control, signage, and connectivity. With ISO 9001 certified processors and a national team of AV professionals, we bring quality, reliability, and consistency to every installation, from concept to commissioning. Whether you're fitting out a boardroom, upgrading meeting spaces, or building a new venue, AVPartners Installations is ready to help. Experience that scales to suit your project.